Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. I'm going to show you how to use effects on TikTok. So go ahead and launch TikTok. Once you're on TikTok here, you can see I have already an effect in place. So go ahead and click effects in the lower left of the screen. So go ahead and tap. I have one in effect currently. You can add various effects. There are various categories as well. So if you wanted to, you can add AR based ones. You can add background effects. So you name it. So let me show you one of these from the popular slide. This is the one I'm using now. Let me turn it off. Notice the difference. If you want it to as well, I could add it again. Could switch to this one. Could add this one. So as you can see here, these are various effects that you can add to your very own videos. They're quite cool. They're various and they're actually a lot of them. So you can play around with this. This is one of the coolest features you may not be aware. So once you go through, you can choose the one that works best for you. Once you do find one that you love, such as this one right here, you can simply blink, for example. There are various effects, and if you wanted to as well, guys, what you can do is you can go ahead and record with the effect to capture what's going on. All right, guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to use the cool effects features within inside TikTok. Ricardo Gardner saying bye until next time. Bye.